chords can be played in so many beautiful ways, but often when we draw, we tend to be lazy and just play them on the first beat without having considered other options. Just like in a symphony orchestra, they don't play chords on the first beat. They all play melodies that comes together as this magical chords. We can give the chords life and character and bring space for other instruments in the productions just by experimenting with how we draw the chords. In this video I will show you some of the ways I do, and hopefully I can inspire you to go on explorations and find your own ways. So let's start. So we start with the plain version, the version that we kind of often tend to do. The version where we just play on the downbeat, the first downbeat. And then we continue. Arpeggios, very simple, but just give some texture, give some life, some energy. And the next one. And this is like the expanded version of the arpeggios, but also with chords and rhythms to the chords. And also the arpeggios continues up and down. This is more like if I should play the chords on the piano for some kind of beautiful thing, I could tend to do this. Next. Don't play on the first beat. Maybe we should octave it one octave up. Give some rhythm. Simple chords, but giving some rhythm, they also get some character. And then we have the classic two-handed polyrhythm kind of ish piano. And this is like when I play piano, I play the chord and then I simply just play the notes in the chord that I really like and I emphasize them. So we don't need to do that much. We just need to experiment and try new stuff out. I will leave a link in the description and you can go and check this Ableton project out if you like to. And then I hope that you will try yourself and find a way to expand your way of thinking chords. If you liked the video, please help me and subscribe, and if you have any suggestions to a video in the future, please let me know. Enjoy.